Edie Beans with a little house of beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making stuffed artichoke casserole. This dish is inspired by my college days when I used to work for Jägermeister. It would be a great hangover dish the next day. The recipe and the links to the products you see me using here will be in the description below. Please remember, we do have a Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans, and our cookbook, Outdoor Cooking with Edie, is available on Amazon along with the ebook as well. Speaking of ebooks, for the remainder of September, there is a coupon code for the ebook. Beans15, B-E-A-N-S 15, Beans15. And speaking of coupon codes, Omnia is also running a special. Please use Beans15 on all the Omnia products as well. If you love the Little House of Beans content and want to see me continue to cook, smooshy that like button, hit the notification bell, subscribe to the Little House of Beans. Now, it's Sunday morning and last night I got a little tipsy. Let's make this stuffed artichoke casserole that will help me with my headache. Let's cook. For this recipe, you can use frozen de-thawed artichoke hearts. However, they were not so readily available for me, so I decided to use the jarred. Canned you can use as well.